Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your phone has power and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Low power or flaky data causes interrupted updates. Once ready, open the Play Store and search Android System WebView, then Chrome, because they interact on many devices. Tap Update for each app. If update isn't shown, use Uninstall Updates or Enable to refresh. After both installs complete, reboot the phone to let the updated WebView bind to running apps and clear transient process conflicts before continuing. Once updated, clear cache and storage for Android System WebView through Settings Apps Show System. This removes corrupt temp files that trigger crashes. If the problem persists, uninstall updates to revert to factory WebView, then reinstall the latest stable version from Play Store to resolve bad update artifacts. Make sure to test in safe mode to determine whether a third-party app is provoking the crash. Safe mode disables non-system apps, so you can isolate the cause and proceed with. You finish by rebooting and launching the apps that previously crashed to confirm the issue is resolved. Many problems clear after a restart. If crashes continue, check for a pending Android System update and install it, or reset app preferences to recover disabled essentials. Only consider a factory reset as a last resort. Backup contacts, photos, and app data first. If nothing helps, the key troubleshooting tip is to back up and perform a factory reset, then reinstall updates cleanly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.